today we're headed off to the Early Bird RV show in Abbotsford at the Tradex building. And first we're going to stop and pick up Brent's grandson, Dane.
Our grandson.
So we're going to go check it out and we're going to give you all the highlights. We are standing out in front of the Tradex
In Abbotsford.
and we're about to go in. Good thing this is an indoor RV show.
Otherwise we would not be attending.
We would be very, very wet. It's just gonna do a,
It's a seminar.
it's a seminar.
RV appliance maintenance.
So,
It's good to pick up a few tips here and there.
so I'm gonna go and wander off for a little bit here and I'll be back to join him. In the meantime, Brent can take notes.
Yeah, that'll happen.
Yeah. Maybe Brent can share some of this.
Maybe.
Okay. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go through, there's several dealerships that are here in at the RV show. So we're going to go through and we'll let you know what brands that they are selling. And we're going to start with this one with a friendly Mr. Bear here. This will be the Travel Home RV Marketplace. First unit we came across is this Cougar by Keystone. And I'm going to go in the back door, which takes you into the bathroom. So just a little corner bathroom. And this one seems to have, oh, and a bunk down below. So we'll have a look to see how many this officially sleeps. Good size fridge. I can never open these. Okay, I'm not going to bother. It's 34 feet long. Does not exactly say how many of you can sleep in this. I imagine you got 2 up the top, maybe 2 on the bottom, so, and then if the couch folds out. And then up here, what do we have? Oh, we got a pantry or some kind of closet. And then we have a bedroom. There was you potentially could have 4 kids in the back.
Okay.
Who knows?
So this is a small Cougar by Keystone. Fairly large storage area. And what do we have here? It is 26 feet long. Dry weight 7,000 pounds.
This one's the 2020 Cougar 315 RLS. It's a 5th wheel by Cougar. It's got this giant pass-through. It's really big. Put some batteries in there, eh, babe?
Yeah, that can hold a good bag. Even up front.
Oh, we could put the batteries in here instead. That's exactly where our Battleborn batteries would go. We're gonna go inside and have a look at this bad boy. Let's go up here. Go into the bedroom first. Oh, so this got very similar closet space to what I have. Washer and dryer can go in there. Yeah, it's not as big as my closet. So, looks like maybe a king size bed, and I'm not sure. And then here, good sized bathroom. So good closet storage in the bathroom. So lots of storage. It's got the same size fridge as ours.
Oh, the whole that's a nice size pantry.
And they could adjust. We have a Grand Design travel trailer and our pantry's about that big, but you can't adjust our shelves. I always said that I liked those stairs way better than...
The Moride stairs are very good. They're very solid. But if you're ever in a tightly enclosed space, like in storage or even on a ferry, and there's somebody parked beside you, you're not getting into the RV because you have to open the door and the stairs have to fold out.
Oh.
So you're going to need at least a 4-foot gap between vehicles. Although I do like the Moride stairs. They are solid.
I wonder about the torque lift though. We didn't get to try them.
Torque lift, they store actually underneath the stairs.
Yeah, so they're more like our stairs, but...
They are more like ours, but they're also adjustable as well, same as the Moride, and they are solid, so they do touch down to the ground. And they're fully extendable. You can space out the stairs, I believe. There's from
Let's see if we can find some. You are wearing a torque lift hat, by the way.
Yes, I am. So.
So, as far as I can tell, Travel Home RV marketplace. They seem to have plenty of Keystone Cougars. They carry...
I see Forest River as well.
Forest River, Wildwood Vibe. Okay, we are doing Fraserway RV now. They carry Keystone products. They have things like Raptors, Montanas, and Adventures. So, I got some camper. We got some campers down at this end. And so...
We've got Raptors here too.
Yes, I said that. The Raptor's outside. So, we're gonna head through here and we'll see something that we think is super awesome. We will give you a show on that one. So, we're standing beside a Springdale, also another Keystone product. It's got an outdoor kitchen, but it's just a little one. So here we have several tent trailers. So for people who want to do weekenders.
They're made by Rockwood.
So this is a little C-class. Let's check out this washroom. It's not a bad size, a little tight. If you're really tall, you might have a bit of a challenge with that. I don't think Brent can stand in that shower. Queen size bed. Fair bit of storage up top. That's a pretty big closet. It's 3 nice deep drawers. We got some more drawers underneath the bed. This bed, I'm not sure if it lifts up or not. Kind of a smaller fridge. What are we in now, Brent? Oh, lazy bear chairs.
And Fireball.
Ooh, cool. We're gonna have a look at this Montana.
3854BR.
It's got the Moride steps. It's got your big TV for your football night. Nice little office in here. We have a room for your computer and put another television in here if you really want to. It's a good sized room off the kitchen. And so, similar layout to ours. Different kind of a stove than what we have. And same size pantry. Size pantry here. It's got the big sink. Let's go check out the front end of this thing. Command center. A little tiny coat closet. It's got a little bunk bed up here. And a good sized bathroom.
There's not much room. Oh, sorry. Oh, no, maybe my big kids now.
Laundry hamper.
Be good for the grandkids once in a while.
You got a washer and dryer, some spare chairs. Or just good an all-in-one in there. Here we are at Travelon's display for the RV show, and
This is where we bought ours in Langley on the bypass. And we're gonna go see what they have. I know they've got a lot of large rigs, some Tiffins, lots of Grand Design, and Newmar, a few others.
we'll post a list. Okay, we're gonna check out this bad boy. This is a Tiffin Open Road Allegro 36 LA, and show price is $199.9. Let's go have a look.
That's where I have my water on. Oh, yeah.
He's still in the
So queen size bed. Bathroom's right off the bed. We got some decent room in the shower. I don't think this one comes equipped with a washer. Oh, hang on. There's our washer dryer from Splendide. Entertainment center, I'm not really sure. Let's see what we got for closet space. Pretty good size. Lots of drawers. Lots of covered space up top here. Full size residential fridge.
This is apparently the most expensive unit they have here for Traveland RV. It is a 2020 Newmar Ventana 3407. I'll give you a little description of it. Up into the cab. Split sink. And that's mostly the bathroom. I'm 6'1", so yeah, plenty of room in here. Lots of room. Shower head, rain head, shower wand, and a bench seat. And I do believe that is an emergency hatch. Whirlpool refrigerator. Oh, and it's got a safe in the wall. What we have over here, that would be to get to the connections for the washer dryer. And there is your Splendide washer dryer. This here is a nice touch for the slides. Some big drawers.
We're going to check out this C-Class. Where's the master bedroom?
You're in it.
Serenity. It's got some storage in the back end here. Let's go check out this C-Class. An Integra. It's on a 450 Ford or E chassis. So you get bump it up there. You only get that in 360. Yeah.
Brand model.
Okay. So it just has the little fridge in it. And good sized bathroom for the size of the unit. So they aren't able to bring the giant motorhomes into this venue. Oof. A good sized closet. Lots of room in there actually. So if you're traveling with a family, not a lot of privacy, you just have this curtain for your master bedroom. A little tiny TV, so that's all right. And then here in the couch area, you have another slightly larger TV. Now this is a Super C, so let's have a look. The 2020 Thor Motor Coach Magnitude Super C XG32. This is one of the ones on their spin and win.
Little stairway to get on top, so there's a sleeping area on top.
No, this wasn't a sleeping area. This was a viewing area.
That's right. They had it coming.
Yeah, not a bad sized bathroom.
Actually, had railings up.
Hanging hooks.
Staircase went up.
I don't know who did that.
It was a diesel pusher. And the interesting thing is when you walk up, you walk down from there.
Again, similar size closets. Pretty standard. Nothing spectacular. Kind of like the color of it. There's the floor pan there. And you're gonna be driving around in a 550. So that's a big machine. And here is a little pod. So I think this is very similar to what Mark and Trish on KYD have. A little tiny bunk in here. And that's an AC and I guess a little heater in there. And this one's got a little hatch. So I think this is a little different. Really rugged. So this one might be a little bit bigger. It's got this nice window for air and good ventilation. In the back, it's got like a two-range burner, a little tap and a little sink. And then you got this nice little cooler here. So, and then it's got another little door over on this side. Airstream. These ones are actually called Base Camp. So this is New Camp, these dome ones. Boondock Light. Now this is the next model up. That's really cute. And your kitchen is indoors. Okay. I don't see Brent and I fitting in this. There are so many little tiny trailer options in here. So they've got this Boondock one. And then this one's a tiger moth, and it's kind of a funky shape. And I think this is the back of it. And then you've got a hatch here. That's kind of neat. I think both of these sides open up. Then you can have more of a... That's kind of a cool thing. So if you're into true camping mode, several options. Okay, we got a Momentum here. G-Class 350. And they're looking at $92.9 for this. So. Okay. Fridge, it's Norcold. It's very similar to ours. Good size shower. Lots of extra storage. This is the same cupboard we have in our bathroom. Okay, let's go into the master. So master has good size closet space. And I think in this one, if you're gonna get a wash machine, it's gonna be in the garage. So nice cupboards, good size cupboards beside on the end tables, and good storage up top. It's got a nice fireplace. And we got more storage over here. That's just a shallow cupboard. And then we have our pantry in here. It's not a very deep pantry. And then okay.
You'd be yelling at me when I'm cooking.
Here we are just outside the 2020 390 RK. The reason this one caught my eye is it has the exact same storage area in the back as the 375 RES Solitude that I fell in love with last year. This storage tray here will hold 1,000 pounds. And I have jumped on that unit before while it was in the shop, and it stands the weight for sure. Take a little walk through and see what kind of amenities this little unit has. Sunken living room. And a big TV. Nice big fireplace. And the kitchen up top at the back. So it is slightly different than the 375 RES. Here we are in the bedroom, or bathroom, sorry. Nice double deep sinks.
Layout's perfect.
Yeah, I'm 6'1", so I'm probably tall enough for anyone up to probably 6'5", anyways. Bedroom. Got the AC going right now. Got the thermostat in here. And this, I'm guessing, would be the washer dryer. That would be where washer dryer would go. It's already plumbed and ready to go. And then here is a nice little closet. Not a lot of storage in here, but it does have the dresser. So this is a nice little unit, Solitude 390 GK. Tons of storage in this unit. Oh, it's amazing.
Getaway RV.
743 King Road, Abbotsford.
This is a Bigfoot trailer. I'm not sure of the length, so
I'd like to take a look too, please.
you've got to your bed up the front here. Closet. It's definitely a weekender or a couple of days away here or there. Or some people who like to be very close to one another. Just a small sink. 3-burner stove, Dometic. It's got a smaller fridge. And that's a shower Brent will not fit into. Then we got, what is this, a pantry or a coat closet? So that was the Bigfoot. How you fitting in there, Brent? Here is, we're in Connor RV. And here is a sandpiper. This is more of a park home than a travel trailer. Okay, so O'Connor RV, they've got this toy hauler. That was the Outdoor RV Trail Series. Not sure who makes that one, but there's no separation between living area and the garage, so it's just one complete unit. There's no separation between the garage.
Travel trailer, toy haulers, yes. That is what you have to deal with.
And for chairs in the living space, you had like captain's chairs.
Yes.
Not very cozy.
And if you want to sit in them, you have to get your toy out.
Yeah. So
You gotta find out what makes you happy. What kind of rig do you need?
yeah.
If you're hauling a couple of quads around, or your Harley, or a couple of dirt bikes, whatever.
We have bicycles.
A golf cart.
Oh, yeah.
It all depends on what you want to do. Because the big fifth wheels, big toy haulers, they accommodate everything. They've got a separate garage. The travel trailer toy haulers, that's another ball of wax.
Well, the momentum that they had here, it was the smaller momentum. It didn't have like the island
Yes.
that we've
It
seen
had the
in
full
some of them.
deck though. It did have a garage in there.
Yes, it had a really, really, really big back deck. So, anyways, let's carry on. We're gonna check this one. Well, I'm gonna check this one out. Brent's gonna hang out with Thane.
And the show price, $167.
167
Yeah, Canadian.
Canadian.
So that's what,
it's
$3,800 US, something like that.
I have no idea. Okay, let's go check this baby out. We've got the Moride steps again. Let's go up into the bedroom first. Inside this baby, looks very similar to ours, same finishes on the bed. There's no overbed cupboards though. There is a cupboard on each side, a very small side table. I think this is a king size bed though. So, and then in the closet we have laundry on one side, and then on the inside, let's have a look. Oh, the inside we have 2 levels of closet hanging. My closet's still bigger. So our Grand Design has a much bigger closet in it. Although double sinks would be nice. Nice sized shower. Lots of storage in here. Oh, and a laundry hamper. This is quite the kitchen. So you have your residential fridge, full-size microwave, Samsung, 4-burner Insignia stove, gas stove, dishwasher. I think I would rather have the pantry than the dishwasher. Oh, somebody was watching for cars. I sure wasn't. Okay, so that was the Early Bird RV show at the Tradex.
And it's not pouring rain anymore.
It's not raining anymore, so that's a good thing. So we came and we saw. Did we learn something new?
Actually, yeah, I did.
You did. Okay, what did you learn, Brent?
The hot water tank drain plugs that are plastic from factory should remain plastic.
Oops.
As we did replace ours a couple weeks back with a brass one.
Thinking that it's not going to crack when it thaws.
Exactly, and the guy that was teaching the seminar said that it was basically a weak point where if everything else goes wrong with the hot water tank, that will blow out.
Okay, and the metal one
If
won't.
the metal one doesn't blow out, you're going to cause more issues.
It's a wet, miserable day, and we are headed off to the Early Bird RVR. You could stand up. Okay, so